it's any day. It's hot as Hades out here. My chandelier just got delivered. Are y'all ready for this? I'm so excited. This is my chandelier. It's in a box as wide as I am. Maybe just a smidge wider. And this is my beautiful chandelier that undoubtedly I'm going to get to put together, which the reviews said it did. There was a lot of assembly required, but it's a beautiful chandelier, so we'll see. Got the light put up last night, and gonna put the chandelier together. I'm not sure when he'll hang it, but yeah. So let me go inside, open this box, and take a gander at it. And James got it this morning. He's got a chicken in the smoker. His mama's coming over, and we're cooking for her. Gonna spend some time with her, and just gonna have a fun day. So just hanging out, waiting for the chicken to cook, and then I'm gonna cook some other stuff to go with it, and wait for the mother-in-law to come over. So let me go inside, open this box, see how hard this is gonna be to put together. And I'll catch up with you on a little bit. Okay, making progress. Pretty easy to assemble. So it's a beautiful chandelier. I really like it. It's simple, nothing fancy. And how perfect does it go with our table? I'm so excited. Good morning. So it is Monday officially, and yours truly is going to be doing some cleaning today. Right now I'm putting on a load of laundry, and then I want to just take today and get my house good and clean, because this week is going to kind of be busy, and I'm just in the mood. Y'all ever just wake up in the mood to just clean house? Well, that's where I'm at. I'm just in the mood to clean house. It needs to be done. We had an awesome weekend, and I cannot wait to show y'all the new chandelier. We got it up, but my bulbs have not arrived yet. I ordered some bulbs from Amazon. They're supposed to be here today by 10 p.m. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'll be able to show y'all the chandelier with the bulbs. Right now, it's just a chandelier. I did put some tester bulbs in it to make sure we had it hooked up right and all that kind of stuff, but they're just way too dim. One of them's blown, and I didn't have enough to fill the whole thing up. So anyway, real life here. So let me get this load of laundry on, and then we're going to move into the kitchen. I'm really in the mood. I just want to clean all my cabinets. I need to take trash out, you know, just all the fun stuff, life, right? So let me get this laundry going. So as you can see, the kitchen is not that bad, just a couple of cups in the sink, but I want to focus on wiping down all of my kitchen cabinets and my stainless steel appliances. That's on my list of things to do. So I'm gonna get these couple of cups washed up, and then I'm gonna move on to wiping down my cabinets. So for my stainless steel appliances, I use this Sprayway stainless steel cleaner, and it's pretty good. It's oil based, so you just it kind of gets all the water spots off, which I really like. So that's what I'm fixing. See all the water spots and stuff on the dishwasher. So, microfiber cloth. This is the chandelier, and I love it. Like I said, those are not the right bulbs. Those are amber bulbs, and they're only 7 watt, very dim. And I only had enough, one blue, so anyway, the other bulbs will be in tonight, but this is the chandelier, and it is a very nice chandelier for $40. We used every bit of the chain, and I just love it. I think it looks great. It goes well with our table and everything. So yeah, I love it. Now on to cleaning. I have been using like my Mrs. Meyer's, that acorn spice. It's not my favorite, but it's great for the floor. So I just add a little bit of Dawn dishwashing liquid, the Mrs. Meyer's acorn spice. I don't measure, I just put it in there with hot water. And that's what I've been using for the past 3 times I've mopped my floors, and I really enjoy it. And the smell is really nice. It's not too overpowering, and it cleans them really well. So I like that concoction. Just got my 2 least favorite rooms to clean. I dusted everything, took everything off of the nightstands, the armoire, everything, cleaned it, and the bathroom, and just finished mopping. So as soon as the floor is dry, I'll put it all back, and that will be done. Hot. It's not feeling like fall right now, y'all. But now I'm fixing to get into this living room. Dreading those bookcases, but they need to be done. So I'm gonna start with them. I like to dust and everything before I vacuum or sweep or anything like that. So any debris will fall on the floor. I can vacuum it up, then I'll mop. So it's gonna take, I'm complaining about it longer than it's actually gonna take me to get it done. But this is called procrastination, if y'all don't know. I'm procrastinating. But I wanted to show y'all what I do, what I've been doing in the mornings. like when I'm cleaning or just moving around the house. YouTube has I love jazz. And they have these channels where it has a fall scene, and they've been doing like daily jazz. And like this is Monday jazz that I've got on now. Let me show y'all. And it just plays, you know, jazz. I'm gonna mute it because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But I love it. I'll just have it playing while I'm doing whatever in the house. And I just love it. It's got a beautiful fall scene and it plays the beautiful jazz music. So yeah, that's just something I do. But y'all see these bookcases, it's time for me to tackle them. So I gotta get off of here, quit yakking, and get busy.
Chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road. This open road. This open road. Boom, boom, that knock on your door is sounding further away. Don't lose sight, life was times before. This is now today. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life is an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road.
What? What? Mama's got a mop. You gotta stay up here. Mama's got a mop. Just stay in the chair. I know.
Shows an open door. Come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life is an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been
we will end where we started. Boy, these circles look bad under my eyes. I promise it's just the lighting. Maybe it's the hat. Trust me, I don't want this hat off. Anyway, gonna get my load of towels out, fold them real quick, and it will be done. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me folding towels and putting them up. I hope you got some motivation from this video. I wish y'all could smell how good the house smells. I love that acorn spice for putting it in my mop water. It dilutes it enough that it's not so overpowering, but yet the smell lingers and it just smells so good. So thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope you got some motivation. And as soon as my light bulbs get here, hopefully by the end of this video, before I put it up, I can add that clip with my light bulbs. I just got a notification that they should be here between 2:15 and 5:15, so I may actually get them today. Yay! So thank y'all for hanging out with me. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all, we got the bulbs for the chandelier. This is what it looks like. They are the warm white, and I love the warm white. And if we need extra lighting, we can just turn the one on in the kitchen, but I just think it gives it such a beautiful glow. This is what it looks like. Absolutely love it.